Hi, this is Himjan, and this is Module 4.2 presentation. Yeah, so for the project concept summary, I try to design the building that is simple and responds to the climate issues and blends with the surroundings really well. The layout balances open community zones and private classroom, fostering both interaction and focus. And I selected the dynamic louver system as my facade, and there is a green roof and solar panels for um, the uh, to reflect the building's adaptive response to the Phoenix climate. So the project demonstrates how integrating environmental system as a special concept can create sustainable and thoughtful learning environment. Yeah, so this is my major research for the my facade system. So there's quite many uh, buildings and schools that adopted the louver system. So then I worked to learn from it. Yeah, and this is a climate analysis. Um, so as you know, the Phoenix has really hot summer, and so it definitely needs uh, the system that prevents heat from the sun. Yeah. So that's why I adopted green roof and the facade, the louver facade, and and I also uh, adopted solar panels right here to maximize the use of sun. And this is my side research I'm asking. As we did in earlier in the semester, I checked the Google Map and Google Earth um, to 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 look at what are surroundings and what's the environment of those area. So and this is and my initial message is pretty similar with the result. So I tried to keep it simple and um, divide the mass into a few chunks. Yeah, and this is the program analysis. Yeah, so uh, I placed an auditorium in the first floor, and second floor there's cafeteria, and third floor there is a more learning units. Yeah. And these little long boxes are so kind of library. And this is a site plan. Here's a diagram that I worked and marked what is surroundings to the building. And here's the vehicle access. The vehicle goes through the west side of the building. And this is my floor plans. The first floor and second floor, as I mentioned, there's auditorium and the cafeteria and learning units and service area and offices. And their third floor and fourth floor are mainly learning units and the lounge and collective learning spaces and libraries. Yeah, 50 on the fifth floor, there's only this side, and here's my the reflective ceiling plan. So elevations, So there's two main entrances from the uh, south side of the building and the north side of the building. And this is the entrance for the service area for docking and something like that. And this is a section. Yeah, the building has two cores, one in the north side and one in the south side. Yeah, with elevators. This is the another sections. So axonometric, I use this to describe what are the relationship between the each floors and how I was planned to divide the spaces. And this is the structure isometric. So I wasn't sure of what are the main structure systems that are used in Phoenix. So I use the what is common in my country, Korea. This is another isometry. So it doesn't show in here. I actually made this parapet and the make this roof as a solar panel place for solar panel, and this space for green roof. And this is isometric from another side. Yeah, for the facade system, so I mentioned the vertical louver system. So it basically has between the floors, there's a curtain wall right here, and the vertical louver is covering the the curtain wall. So and the louver is can rotate to in a for a certain degree. So the building can adjust to the environment throughout the seasons. As I mentioned earlier, the passive system I implemented green roof and solar panels. Also, HVAC systems. That this was the most challenging part of throughout the semester because I had zero understanding of how these ducts and then pumps and pipes work. So what I did is mainly I put a mechanical room right here on the first floor and third floor. So it goes so third floor provides for HVAC system for third, fourth, and second floor, and the first floor provide for its own first floor. Yeah. So classroom study. I I should work on this more, but I didn't research thoroughly on what are the right size of the chair and the dimensions of the classroom. So I put it in this way. So yeah, it does seem like a little bit military school. Yeah, I have to admit that. Yeah, but I think I definitely should more work on it and develop this further. Yeah, and this is my combined view. So this is a louver facade, and the plan shows right here. There are classrooms and then an office, the bathroom. This is section floor, a section perspective. Yeah, you can see ducts are in the inside the ceiling. Yeah, and this is my exterior perspectives. There's one from the northeast side and another from the southern west side. Yeah, and interior perspectives. These are hallway and the classroom and the cafeteria and lounge. And this was my presentation. Thank you very much.